Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Randall in Alabama on the RCI 69 base. Randall, we got these back in stock not too long ago, and we're going through these like candy. Got this one ready to go for you, bud. Got your a static 636L mic that we actually have on sale right now. When you get to the checkout cart, check it out. Let's just show you what we got there, Randall. Our power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Get you set at 1 watt all the way down. Roll it all the way up. 13 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Ooh, about 40 bird. 100 watt slug in PEP. Hello, about 98 peak. 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And let's roll the carrier all the way down. Show you what's going to swing there, just in case you decide to run an amp with it. Hello, 1 2. At 90 watts from a 1 watt carrier. Going over here to sideband. Hello, 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So there's about 30 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. Hello, 1 2. Hello, 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 hello. Audio. About 80 watts all the way up. All right, Randall. We got ready to go for you, bud. I hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.